Alright guys, we're gonna do a little update on the van project. So we've made some improvements since the last time. Basically we got the battery installed, our 200 amp fuse for safety, and I'm using a Harbor Freight setup because I had used this on my house before and it works. It may not be the most efficient thing, but for my purposes this is like more than enough power. I've got on the outside, you can see I've got the fan going, I've got my tablet charging, and I'm at 13.8. 4.1 amps in, and this fan is only using 1 amp. So as for this PWM, I think it's probably a piece of crap, even crappier than this. And this is just to let you know, I'm charging this and running the fan, and I'm still charging the battery, which I will have to check the settings on that in a second. Let's go outside and check the top. Alright, so I don't know if you can hear it, but pretty much I can't even hear the fan, and I'm right outside, right up on top here. As you can see, I got 3 solar panels set up. They're hooked together. What is it? Parallel. So there's only one positive, one negative. These panels I got on eBay. They said they were 120 watts each. I took that with a grain of salt because usually you don't get 120 watts. I just installed this fan. I'm probably going to install another one here, but I wasn't sure. So I just installed the one. We'll see how it does. How cool it is on the inside. Today it's supposed to get up to like 80 something, and it gets really humid here too, so I'm just gonna leave it run all day, see what it's like on the inside. The other one I'll put up here, and yeah, that's basically it. I still have my plastic over these panels just because of all the trees, seeds, birds and whatnot. Once I'm on the road, I'll take all that stuff off. And on the other side, I hooked these down with VHB tape, and then the Turn-a-Bond tape, so we'll see how it's doing, which it seems to be fine. I've driven around already on the highway, just going about 60, 65, nothing has flown off. Just waiting for that. I used the Gorilla Glue sealant for the caulk there. We'll see how that does. Gorilla Glue products seem to be pretty good. That's what I used on bundling that table. That's what I used bundling the tape up on the other side. So we're gonna see how this works. Right now, to me, I'm probably gonna spray paint that just to keep it in line, so it looks a little bit nicer. And it'll probably look just like a GPS. I don't know if I want to have another one here though. I don't like multiple holes in this vehicle. So I should say, just with this running for, it's probably been maybe 30 minutes so far, it's already pretty comfortable. I'd probably say, I don't have a thermometer in here, but it's probably about 70 degrees something in here so far. But yeah, this is the layout so far. I took out the other seat because I'm going to have the motorcycle rolled all the way up to the front. And of course, here's my divider. I have to get another curtain for that side. On the back, pretty much the same as always. But yeah, I really love this cabinet so far. I'm just gonna have to get some bungee cords or something, or some of those slotted fabric containers, organizers, whatever, so I can put it against the wall, throw stuff in there. But yeah, this is pretty much the setup so far, and it's nice and roomy in here. I have to just clean this up here. I'll put over this insulation over this, cover up some of these wires, and everything should be good to go, and we'll be hitting the road next week, finally. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace! Alright, lastly, on the charge controller, the incoming voltage hit 14, and it has gone back down to 13.8. And it seems to be hovering around there. So 13.7, even better. But it seems to be controlling the charge, which is really good. I'm gonna have to get some cables to button all that stuff up so this isn't this giant mess. But other than that, yeah, we're in business and we're looking good.